Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to change the wallpaper on your Galaxy A17 in all versions. First, there are two methods that I'll be showing you. The first method is by going into your photo gallery to set one of your own photos as the wallpaper on your phone. So you'll go into the photo gallery, open your photo, tap on the three dots, and select this option here. Now it will ask you where you want to set this image as your wallpaper. Home screen, lock screen when the phone is locked, home screen when it's unlocked, and here you can set this wallpaper on the home screen, on the lock screen, or on both the lock and home screens, okay? I'm going to apply it only to the lock screen, so I'll select lock screen. Sometimes it takes a little while, so let's wait. And now here you can zoom in on the screen and adjust the image however you want it to appear on your phone. We can zoom in, adjust the image, okay? And then you click this button here to confirm. Once you do that, the wallpaper is already applied to your phone. In my case, I applied it only to the lock screen, as you can see here. And to download more wallpapers, you can go into your phone's settings icon, scroll down to the themes option, and once you enter themes, it will probably ask you to update your app. I'll check these options here, and if it asks you to update, you'll click the update button. Then we wait a bit. Okay. The app has already been updated, so I'll click here to sign in with a Samsung account. If you don't have a Samsung account, when you click this button, it will give you an option that says Continue with Google. So you'll click this button to continue with Google, and if you don't have a Samsung account, you can register with Samsung using your own Google account from your phone. So here it's registering. Since I don't have a Google account signed in on my phone yet, I'm adding my Google account, okay? So by registering this way, you'll be able to download several wallpapers completely free. Now I'm going to check these options. I'll click this button to finish signing in with the account. And now you'll click on Wallpapers, then click on this option. We click here and select Free. This way, the wallpapers that are free will appear. The wallpapers labeled video or animation. Look, video means they're moving wallpapers that you can only apply to the lock screen. The others, which don't have movement, you can apply to both screens on your phone. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was helpful. If I helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comment down below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.